Hello, bankers. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So, I hope I'm clearly audible and visible to all of you. So, now in this particular session, we are going to discuss our module B. Basically, module B is one of the kind of like we can say it is easiest one because there are so many things which are generally linked with your PPB subject also. Okay. Module C and module D are completely new and with we can say highly weightage also. Okay. So you guys are going to face number of areas or questions around those particular one. Okay. So we have Akriti ma'am, Yadav sir, Asi sir, Human. Very good evening to everyone, guys. And sorry for the delay. Actually, I was in another session. I just finished that particular one. Okay. Chalo. So now we will start with our मॉड्यूल डी डिस्कशन. ठीक है. सो मॉड्यूल बी डिस्कशन आपका. ठीक है. सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू द मॉड्यूल बी, so module B, which is all about retail product and recovery. So as you can see the topic also, customer requirements. ठीक है. From here, that Maslow's hierarchy of need and their uses in banking system, as well as categorization of customers. So most of the time, they generally ask question around that particular one. ठीक है. Then we have product development process or the entire cycle, new product or even the basic product and all. ठीक है. Credit ratings आपका credit scoring that we have already done in PPB also. Important retail liability product and asset product again linked with the PPB one. ठीक है. In detail. Credit and debit cards आपका. ठीक है. Remittance product आपका. ठीक है. LRS and others. ठीक है. Then we have digitization of retail product, role of AI in technology, a recovery of loans, management information system. This is completely new. Securitization, that was also part of your PPB. See, guys. So there are so many topics which were generally part of your PPB also. So please do. This was in I and IFS. Okay, and these topics were part of your PPB and this also part of your PPB and all. Okay? So that learnings is definitely going to help you out in this RBWM subject also, right? So we will be discussing the major concept related to all these particular units, and I'll be uploading this particular PDF in the application itself just after the session. And follow this sequence. ठीक है. So आपका concept summary followed by unit wise MCQs marathon session for the entire module. Then आपका module wise mock test. I hope आप लोगों ने module wise mock test लगा लिया होगा. ठीक है. I'm not getting time to check that particular one. ठीक है. So but हाँ, I'll definitely cross check your scores and all. ठीक है. So but please do participate in these particular things. We have to score very high in RBWM and it is manageable. ठीक है. चलो, तो we will start with our very first topic, that is customer requirements. From here, there are two subtopics which are very important one. ठीक है. So one is आपका Maslow's theory. ठीक है. I hope you heard about the Abraham Maslow. Anyone who is aware around the management things. ठीक है. So there is a need theory which is given by the Abraham Maslow, where we have a pyramidal structure. So basically what like the basic human needs आपका which is get categorized among the 5 different areas. ठीक है. So आपका physiological, safety, आपका love and belongings, esteem and आपका self actualization. So now accordingly you have to align the banking product. First question, customer requirements and service quality. ठीक है. आपका satisfaction, the apex one is delight. ठीक है. Then satisfaction, आपका dissatisfaction. ठीक है. And the overall categorization of customers also, right? So if it comes to the categories आपका. ठीक है. So categories आपका. ठीक है. So categories of retail banking, this is the something introduction part आपका. ठीक है. Retail liability product, where we have we generally take liabilities from the customers, and retail asset product which include different type of loans आपका. ठीक है. Like it can be personal loan, auto loan, home loans, education, credit cards and other retail loans and all. Okay, so this is very easy and understandable. Okay. Additional services which we generally provide to our customers, that card services, electronic services, depository services and third party product distribution like mutual fund, insurance and all. And sometimes these third party product was they are generally related to the your kind of our subsidiary like SBI Life or SBI General. Let's say if somebody is taking home loan, So we generally provide the आपका home loans, so that basically the additional services that mortgage insurance and all, so they generally comes under this particular one. ठीक है. Application आपका approval process of retail loan. ठीक है. So here we have CDD, आपका due diligence and all these kind of thing, officially valid documents and all. So assuming कि we all are well prepared for these particular things. ठीक है. So just have a look around these particular things and understandable, or we have discussed these particular things in detail. Now quantum of loans. ठीक है. So many times this subtopic get asked in your examination. So please do remember this one. So loan amount is based on income with specific multipliers. It can be 12 times monthly income of for the personal loan. It can be आपका margin requirements vary 15 to 20% आपका, especially in case of home loans. It depend on so many factors like the builders or the locality or the city and all. Interest rate usually followed by the reducing rate. Repayment period. So what are the factors or timelines and all? So these are the areas. FOIR is very important one. So many times you'll see this particular one in your examination for half marks and 1 marks. We will be discussing FOIR in detail. It is something like basically let's say if a person is earning 12 lakh rupees, and you can face one case study based on this particular one. So how much debt that particular person have taken from the banks or any other institutions. So based on that particular one, we approve the overall credit limits for the individuals and all. Now the very important slide on your screen. So this is definitely you guys are going to face this particular one in your examination. Like the ratio is 90% time they have asked around this question. They'll ask you the category आपका. So when it comes to the customer segmentation and आपका income level, so we have a bifurcation. If a person who earn 2 lakh rupees to 10 lakh generally categorized under the mass market. 10 lakh to 50 lakh आपका mass affluent. We have आपका 50 lakh to 4 crores आपका. It is आपका super affluent. आपका 4 crore to आपका 40 crores आपका high net worth. W stand for anyone who can recall this particular one. So then we have आपका 4,000 to आपका 1,20,000 lakhs. That is how much super HNI. It should be high net worth wealth और आपका high net worth super high net worth wealth. Above 1,20,000 lakhs, it is how much ultra HNW. So high net worth, it is high net worth आपका. So we have this particular categorization, and this chart is being asked so many times in your examination. So this can be for half marks, 1 marks, or even for 2 marks. They can ask you, they can give you an application based question about 3 customers who visited your branch, and their income is like they fall under this income, and you have to categorize those particular customers as per this particular category for 2 marks. Or else आपका 1 marks for the pairing things, or it can be for half marks, a straightforward question based on this particular one. yes आकृति मैम. ठीक है, चलो understood आपका. तो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है हम सबके लिए, ध्यान रखेंगे इसको आपका for the RBWM subject. ठीक है. Now apart from this, the most important subtopic from this particular one is your Maslow's hierarchy of need. ठीक है, the most important. Every time you'll see question based on this particular theory. ठीक है. So basically Abraham Maslow, it is a motivation theory of Abraham Maslow, which generally comes under the neoclassical thoughts of management. Okay? When you will study the management, we have आपका classical, neoclassical and modern thought. Okay? So during the neoclassical era, we generally start studying the behavior of individual and all. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे आपका जैसे अगर किसी ने मैनेजमेंट पढ़ा होगा तो आपने एल्टॉन मायो को पढ़ा होगा, आपका एल्डर फर को पढ़ा होगा, ERG थ्योरी जिन्होंने इसको समराइज किया था, या फिर वी हैव आपका डगलस मैग्रॉ थ्योरी एक्स एंड वाई. ठीक है, विलियम ओर्सी आपका थ्योरी जी. अब ये जो मैस्लो थ्योरी है ना, द यूजेस ऑफ मैस्लो थ्योरी इन योर आपका बैंकिंग सिस्टम. ठीक है, हाउ वी आर अप्लाइंग मैस्लो थ्योरी in the customer segmentations. ठीक है, that is very very important one for your examination purpose. ठीक है. So first of all, the first thing which is required from this particular topic is you need to remember the sequences. ठीक है. So Abraham Maslow, who generally come up with the structure based आपका like they generally created a pyramid कि human need can be categorized among the 5 needs आपका. ठीक है, फिजियोलॉजिकल बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स, खाना पीना रहना, ठीक है। आपका सोशल नीड, आपका सोशल सिक्योरिटी बेसिकली, लाइक basic banking, saving accounts and all these kind of things, basic insurance and all, ठीक है। Then we have social need आपका, which generally include love and belongings आपका, ठीक है, intimacy and all these kind of things which generally comes under this. Esteem need आपका, ठीक है। So upper than this आपका second house and all these kind of things, second car and all, ठीक है। And then self actualization, which include the retirement things and all, if you refer with the banking things, ठीक है। In general the theory is something related to आपका physiological need, which is आपका basic survival, then आपका safety, protection, stability and security, this and आपका these. So one question can be around the core theory of आपका Abraham Maslow's core theory, ठीक है। It is not necessarily कि they ask you around the banking references. They can give you one question, arrange this particular one, ठीक है। So आपका जो Maslow के जो ये 5 pillars के अंदर जो areas है, they can ask you to arrange. So what comes under the lower level need, so आपका physiological, what comes at the आपका highest level आपका, that is self actualization. Self actualization is something, what can I do best in my capacity, that is achieving that particular goal is self actualization, ठीक है। अगर हम references के हिसाब से इसको लेके चलते हैं, now the most important part is this, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे ना, दिस इज डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम योर मैकमिलन बुक इटसेल्फ, तो ये जो एग्जांपल्स हैं, ठीक है, सो मेनी टाइम दे हैव आस्क्ड दीस पर्टिकुलर वन इन योर एग्जामिनेशन, ठीक है, कि ये जो एग्जांपल्स आपके हैं कि कौन सा किस में आपका आता है। समबडी वाज आस्किंग इन ग्रुप आल्सो, ठीक है, अभी किसी ने तो क्वेश्चन आपका डाला था, ठीक है, कि कैसे कैसे ये चीजें आपकी यहाँ पे आपका देखने के लिए मिलेंगे, ठीक है। सो फिजियोलॉजिकल नीड व्हेन इट कम्स टू द बैंकिंग थिंग्स, ठीक है, सो मैचिंग बैंकिंग, इन्वेस्टमेंट इन इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट। So if it comes to the physiological need, ठीक है, it include आपका saving accounts, personal accident covers, housing loan, ठीक है। Then आपका when it comes to the security safety, recurring deposits आपका, ठीक है, fixed deposit, then we have life insurance product, endowment with the low premium, tax planning, banking, insurance, mutual funds products and all. Social need which include consumer loans, personal loan, home loans, car loans, आपका लोन फॉर प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट फॉर डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स, लॉयर्स, सीए, मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टेंट एंड ऑल, इंश्योरेंस कवरेज, इंश्योरेंस कवर्ड टैग टू अबव लोन्स आपका, ठीक है, एंड आपका रिटेल गोल्ड लोन्स, ठीक है। सो दीज आर जनरली कैटेगराइज अंडर द सोशल नीड्स आपका, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वन आपका इवन दीज आर ऑल्सो ओके, हाँ, नेक्स्ट वन आपका एस्टीम, हेल्थ पॉलिसीज आपका फॉर सेल्फ एंड फैमिली, इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोडक्ट लाइक म्यूचुअल फंड स्कीम्स, सिस्टमैटिक इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान, यूलिप्स आपका, स्पेशल टर्म डिपॉजिट आपका, टर्म इंश्योरेंस, ठीक है, एंड वी हैव सिक्योर्ड हाउसिंग लोन्स आपका, होम इंप्रूवमेंट्स लोन, सॉरी सेकंड हाउसिंग लोन, वी हैव होम इंप्रूवमेंट्स आपका, होम डेकोर्स एंड ऑल, ठीक है। नाउ द फाइनल वन आपका सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन विच इंक्लूड पेंशन लोन आपका, रिटायरमेंट सोल्यूशंस in banking and pension plans, senior citizen, a term, a deposit products and all, ठीक है। so this is the bifurcation आपका, ठीक है। तो ये आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन गाइस, ठीक है। एवरीवन आपका देखो, अब यहाँ से क्वेश्चन कैसे होगा, जैसे somebody was asking in the group itself कि आपका कार लोन्स कम्स अंडर दिस विच कैटेगरी और होम लोन्स कम्स अंडर विच कैटेगरी, सो दे आर जनरली कैटेगराइज अंडर दी आपका सोशल नीड्स आपका, ठीक है। इफ अ पर्सन इज टेकिंग लोन फॉर द सेकंड हाउस, ठीक है, और अ लग्जरी कार, ठीक है, सो दैट जनरली कम्स अंडर व्हिच वन, योर एस्टीम नीड, ठीक है। और if a person is doing some sort of retirement planning and he is asking for some particular product, so that particular person fall under the self actualization need आपका, if we do the customer segmentation. Understood guys, ठीक है। हरीश सर आपका yes I'm uploading all the PDF and I have uploaded all the PDFs of your आपका like almost the previous sessions which we took around your October examination, they have already uploaded in the today itself. I have uploaded all the PDFs, ठीक है। Remainings आपका session by session will be uploading these particular things, ठीक है। So my request to all of you guys, please go through these things, ठीक है। मतलब खाली PDF को स्टोर करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है, ठीक है। जस्ट फॉलो दिस सीक्वेंस आपका, ठीक है। आप वीडियो के थ्रू देखें या फिर आप PDF के थ्रू, एनी हाउ इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल, गो थ्रू दोज वन। आपका यूनिट वाइज एमसीक्यूज रिवीजन इज मस्ट आपका, ठीक है। देन मॉड्यूल मॉक आर मस्ट, ठीक है। आई हैव गिवन वन फुल लेंथ मॉक ऑल्सो एंड वन एग्जाम मॉक आई क्रिएट जस्ट आफ्टर हैविंग लाइक थर्ड मॉड्यूल सी और मॉड्यूल डी आपका, ठीक है दोस्तों। सो इज दिस क्लियर सबको? ठीक है, इतना सबको क्लियर है? ठीक है, नाउ द अदर पार्ट आपका, दिस ऑल्सो बीन आस्क्ड सो मेनी टाइम, ठीक है, बहुत बार आपको ये पूछा गया, ठीक है. सो कस्टमर्स आपका, इफ इट कम्स टू द कस्टमर्स, ठीक है, सो नाउ डेज वी हैव customer first policy. So customer requirement for service quality in retail banking, so they require, like it can be categorized among three areas आपका, ठीक है. So customer dissatisfaction, customer satisfaction, आपका customer delight, ठीक है. See, they can give you an application based question also, कि like after like a person visited our branch for the car loans and we did everything, so car loan is sanctioned and all. When he submit the आपका reports and all, ठीक है, we have that scanner ना, just like next to our desk and all, ठीक है. We ask after the completion and all, we ask for the to scan and to rate this one, ठीक है. So we can have three type of things, ठीक है. It is satisfaction is like we are meeting with the expectations, ठीक है. If we are not meeting with the expectations of the customer, dissatisfaction. If we are delivering services beyond the expectations, they are very happy, that is आपका delight, ठीक है. The very simple one, so you have to be very careful around these things, ठीक है. And these get asked in your examination, इनको हल्के में मत लीजिएगा, आपका ये examination के half marks के question है आपके, ठीक है. चलो, so key dimension of service quality expected by the customers, including the customer, we our services are customer centric आपका, ठीक है. तो वहां पे what they generally want from us, ठीक है, they want everything from us, but these are some areas which we have to take care, ठीक है. तो ये चीजें आपका जिनको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है. सो लाइक attractive physical places and clear communication, reliability आपका, consistent accurate service delivery, ठीक है. Responsiveness आपका, prompt and helpful response, ठीक है. Assurance आपका, skilled, then courteous and trustworthy staff, then empathy आपका, ठीक है, and others आपका. तो if you go through these particular one, you will be able to make your understanding, ठीक है. But आप एक बार आपको इनको देखना बहुत जरूरी. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग कम्स एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन, सो मेनी टाइम आपका, ठीक है. दिस इज द थर्ड सब टॉपिक आपका विच आई विल गिव रेटिंग आपका, ठीक है, रेटिंग वाइज. आप Maslow's hierarchy, that categorization or classification of customers and FOIR things, ठीक है. FOIR can be asked in numericals also. If it get asked in numericals, so you have to use this particular formula, ठीक है. So total fixed obligations on that particular person means the loan he has taken from the आपका different banks, credit cards, loan, personal loan, overdraft and everything, so you have to add, divide by net monthly income आपका into 100. So on the basis of that particular one, we will decide the limits and all, ठीक है. So when it comes to the FOIR, fixed obligation in income ratio, last time they asked full form or abbreviation of this FOIR, ठीक है. But it is not necessarily कि जिस तरीके से इस बार आपका पेपर बन रहे हैं, they can ask you the overall conceptual areas of this particular one, ठीक है. So it's calculated by bank to ensure that borrowers from the salaries class do not take excessive borrowings, ठीक है. FOIR is used to determine the portion of borrower's income that goes toward the fixed obligations, ठीक है. Let's say there is a person who is earning 1 lakh rupees and he is paying आपका 50,000 rupees as a EMIs, ठीक है. So that one, like now the equity of that particular person in his salary is only 50,000. अब apart from that also he has some other expenses, ठीक है, घर गृहस्थी भी आपका चलाना and all, so there are those kind of things. So whenever we are granting any loan, so we have to be very calculative कि if we are giving, let's say if we are increasing 10,000 rupees or if we are creating 10,000 rupees asset on that particular person, do that particular person have ability to make that particular payment or not? So that we'll get to know with the help of FOIR itself, right? So by maintaining a minimum net take home pay, so that is 50,000, let's say, after deducting fixed obligation, bank ensure that borrowers have sufficient income to meet their living expenses and do not face any difficulties in loan repayments, ठीक है. तो this is the uses of FOIR. So we will start with our very first question. So now I'm expect just after this revision session, concept session, ठीक है. So I have some sort of expectations from you guys कि you will at least answer, ठीक है, at least try to answer these particular questions, ठीक है दोस्तों. So first question on your screen regarding so we have to find out statement regarding retail banking product and processes are correct. Very simple question for 1 marks. So everyone please try. ठीक है. What will be your correct answer for this one? I'll refresh my chat also. ठीक है. Yes. A very good evening to everyone guys. I'm actually आई एम फीलिंग वेरी एग्जॉस्टेड, ठीक है, फ्रॉम लास्ट 1 मंथ आई एम वर्किंग डे एंड नाइट आपका, तो थोड़ा सा आपका इशू हो गया था कल रात में ही, आई वॉज लाइक ब्लैकआउट हो गए थे 2-3 बार क्लास के अंदर ही, so then मॉर्निंग आई वॉन्ट बी एबल टू मेक दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, बट हाँ आज हम लोग पूरा मॉड्यूल भी करेंगे, देन कल मॉर्निंग आपका मॉड्यूल सी रिविजन वी आर गोइंग टू डू, राइट। चलो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन गाइज, सो व्हाट विल बी योर करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस वन? Retail banking deal with primarily with individual customer and small groups, 100% true. Retail liability sorry, retail liability product include home loans sorry, so retail liability, no, it should be आपका retail asset product, again retail assets product include retail asset product include home loan and your a personal loan, ठीक है, sorry guys, हाँ A I'm getting answers also, ठीक है, KYC verification should be strictly conducted by bank staff and agents, आपका third party agents, ठीक है, retail loans follow a credit appraisal process similar to corporate loans and all, no. Yes, so what will be your correct answer for this one? Not आपका this, ठीक है, तो आपका basically when it comes to, we have different for the आपका corporate customers, here we have the separate one. Sorry. Retail loans are generally assessed using standardized scorecard model. Yes, 100% true आपका, ठीक है. So sorry. Yes. So 135 means option A should be right answer for this particular one. Correct है? Yes, maximum people are right here. Statement 2 आपका home loans and personal loan are retail asset product. 4 आपका retail loan follow scorecard based approach. Unlike corporate loans, they have rating separate credit appraisals and all. Sorry. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ये ठीक हो जाएगा अभी 10 मिनट में, ठीक है, तो कुछ देर आपका रहता है, ठीक है, उसके बाद सही हो जाएगा। चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन, प्लीज क्विकली गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चन एंड ट्राई टू आंसर दिस वन। So which of the following statement correct with respect to the due diligence and processing of retail loans by bank? So what will be your right answer? Bank may pre-approve certain properties for faster processing of housing loans. Yes. So like especially this is for the आपका well-known builders and all, ठीक है. So like builders like Sobha, Brigade, Prestige. So their properties we have there will be a completion of projects and all. So in that particular case we give some sort of leverages to home buyers. The real estate RERA आपका 2016 registration is mandatory across all the state. No, not across all the state, ठीक है. Verification of PAN is done using the income tax department website, 100% true. FOIR is used by bank to ensure that borrowers from salaried class do not borrow beyond their means. अच्छा, who will tell the full form of FOIR आपका, ठीक है, what is the abbreviation of FOIR, क्या होता है full form आपका FOIR का, जल्दी बताओ, ठीक है. Housing loan are generally sanctioned up to 12 time that applicants मंथली इनकम, ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज द लिमिट आपका? नॉट 12 टाइम्स, ठीक है, कल हमने इसको आपका डिस्कस भी किया था. इट इज अराउंड आपका 48 to 60 टाइम आपका, ठीक है, 48 to 60 टाइम आपका, ठीक है. सो पर्सनल लोन कैन बी 12 टाइम आपका, रॉन्ग, ठीक है. रीपेमेंट पीरियड फॉर पर्सनल लोन यूजुअली रेंज बिटवीन 3 to 5 years. After sanction, disbursement of loan is generally made directly to the borrower's saving account. If it is about the home loans आपका, no, it is not. It generally goes to the आपका the institutions, basically who is the manufacturer or the other areas, ठीक है. So that is done. Let's say a building is like the dealer or the property owners is आपका, that is constructor is आपका Prestige, so it will go to the Prestige or Sobha or anyone else, ठीक है. So 1 3 4 6 1 3 4 6 नो, आपका डी शुड बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. ठीक है. सो डिसबर्समेंट इज प्रिफरेबली मेड टू सप्लायर्स, manufacturer or institution, not directly to the borrower's account itself, right? So this is the one. ठीक है. हाँ, yes, fixed obligations income ratio आपका सौरभ सर ने जैसे लिखा हुआ है, that is the right answer for this one. Next one, guys, which of the following statement is true regarding customer segmentations in the retail banking? ठीक है. For sure you guys are going to face similar type of question in your examination also about the segmentation, mass, classes, or even आपका the different categories of individuals and all. So you have to be very careful around this one. All right. चलो बताओ क्या होगा करेक्ट आंसर गाइस आपका. What will be your right answer for this one? So first question आपका, now first statement, if it comes to the bank segment customers primarily based on the geographical location. No, it is the segregation आपका segmentation we generally do on the basis of income level. ठीक है, not the geography. ठीक है. Mass affluent segments include customer with annual income between 10 to 50 lakhs आपका 100% true. ठीक है. Retail banking product are primarily designed to cater the ultra high net worth customers. No, ठीक है. So we are not focusing those particular one. We generally focus on masses and they are beyond the masses. ठीक है. They generally आपका comes under the classes and all. ठीक है. So mass market is our primary area. ठीक है. Next one, customer segmentation help bank target the right product to the right customer. The income level of a customer does not, it does affect the type of banking product. So 2 and 4 only, that means option B will be right answer for this particular one. Correct guys? Yes. हाँ, चलो next. So first statement was incorrect. It is the classification of the segmentation we generally do on the basis of income. Third one was incorrect. Retail banking product mostly structured for banking like masses or mass affluent, ठीक है, not this high net worth individuals. ठीक है. Though we cater those one also. ठीक है. Income level play a significant role in determining the banking product customer requirements and all. ठीक है. So this is the chart आपका. Please do remember this particular one for sure. ईयर फॉर हाफ मार्क्स और 1 मार्क्स और 2 मार्क्स. ठीक है, कैसे भी क्वेश्चन आपको यहां से देखने के लिए मिल सकता है. ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अराउंड दी Maslow's hierarchy of need. So we discussed this particular one also in our previous session. So what will be your correct answer, guys? What I'll just let people know in the group itself. Okay. So so they won't miss anything. चलो बताओ क्या होगा करेक्ट आंसर. दिस इज वेरी सिंपल वन, वेरी सिंपल, वेरी बेसिक. सो आपका द करेक्ट ऑर्डर फॉर द मैस्लोज हायरार्की ऑफ नीड. So we have a pyramidal structure which include first आपका physiological need, then we have safety, then we have social or love and belongings, then we have esteem, and then we have self actualization. ठीक है. So this is the pyramid. So what will be your correct answer? Which match the perfect? Option B आपका. ठीक है. People are saying option B should be right answer. So physiological need, yes. Safety, social, esteem, and self actualization. ठीक है. So option B will be right answer for this particular question. They can ask one question around the core theory of Maslow, or else the maximum probability is around this for 1 marks. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे आपको 1 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आपका देखने के लिए मिल सकता है, जहाँ पे कि जो हमारा कस्टमर सेगमेंटेशन है, हाउ वी जनरली डू दैट पर्टिकुलर वन, दैट कैन बी आस्क्ड. ठीक है. सुमित, a 30-year-old sales executive has been saving for a while, and now he want to buy a car. He is looking for a financial option to make his to make this purchase. What stage Maslow's hierarchy for need is Sumit currently at? बताओ कौन से स्टेज में है आपका. There are some people who are asking in group also. इसके अराउंड जो क्वेश्चंस आपके थे, क्या होगा करेक्ट आंसर गाइस? व्हाट विल बी योर राइट आंसर फॉर दिस वन? बताइए. देखो आज थोड़ा सा आप लोगों का पार्टिसिपेशन इज मस्ट. ठीक है. जितना ज्यादा पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे उतना मतलब बहुत बेहतर ही होगा हमारे सबके लिए। सो ओके, यस, हाँ, एवरीवन, यस। सो व्हाट विल बी योर करेक्ट आंसर? इट जनरली कम्स अंडर आपका सोशल नीड आपका, ठीक है। सो सोशल नीड अकॉर्डिंग टू मैस्लोज थ्योरी ऑफ नीड, ठीक है, सोशल नीड विच जनरली कवर दीज पर्टिकुलर वन, ठीक है। कंज्यूमर लोन्स, home loan, car loan, loan for professional development for doctors, engineers, lawyers, and all. Insurance coverage, retail gold loans, health policies, investment products, systematic investment plan in mutual funds, and unit link insurance product. Those who generally categorize under this particular one. Apart from that, here we have the entire list also. So please do revise this particular one. For sure we guys are going to face one question around this particular one, ठीक है। तो प्लीज इसको ध्यान रखिएगा, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। जहां पे आपको लास्ट ईयर द क्वेश्चन वाज अराउंड आपका सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन, ठीक है, and it was around the pension products and all, so it can be related to any stage of this particular one. Chalo, next question guys, which of the following statement about the customer service quality are true? So dissatisfaction, satisfaction and delight, these were the three categories आपका जो हमने कल डिस्कस किए थे, ठीक है। So now what we have to find out the overall definition or the basis of customers, ठीक है। चलो बताओ। So what we have to find out, correct statement, true statement. If actual service is better than expectations, it will lead to the customer satisfaction. पहला, ठीक है। So statement one itself, it is wrong, ठीक है। It is आपका customer delight. It is generally known as customer delight, ठीक है। So statement one is wrong आपका. Reliability refer to the ability to perform the promised service आपका in-depthly and accurately, 100% true if it comes to the reliability principle, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वन आपका empathy involve understanding the customer's concern and offering a quick solution without communication, ठीक है। So empathy is something आपका like it is basically the requirements, understanding the need and all, ठीक है। So understanding the customer's concern, ठीक है। I'll not go with this particular one. It does not define properly this particular one, ठीक है। So it is something आपका where we are just doing us basic things. Empathy is something like, let's say if they want to do some आपका financial planning with our banks and all, ठीक है। So understanding their situation and offering the services and all, that should be right one, ठीक है। The tangible dimension include factor like appearance of physical facilities and communication materials, 100% true, ठीक है। Providing solutions, not excuses, is essential when handling a customer's concern, 100% true, ठीक है। So 2, 4, 5 आपका 2, 4, 5, 2 and 4, हाँ, option D should be right answer for this particular one. What do you say guys? Yes, हाँ, option D should be right answer for this one, ठीक है। So when it comes to the empathy, it involve understanding customers' concern and communicating with them, not just providing a solutions आपका, ठीक है। That is the one. So which there should not be any sort of mis-selling and all, ठीक है। तो वो चीज आपका यहाँ पे नहीं होनी चाहिए। Next one, which of the following statement is correct regarding the service quality of public sector bank for saving accounts, ठीक है। So service quality of public sector banks for saving accounts, ठीक है। चलो, ये कुछ statements हैं जो आपको बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ने पड़ेंगे and you will be able to recall these particular one. बताओ क्या होगा करेक्ट आंसर गाइस? व्हाट विल बी योर करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस वन? So public sector banks are comparable to the private sector banks across touch points in overall customer experiences. We can have this kind of comparison. Public sector bank underperform private sector banks in branch layout and cash transaction, no, ठीक है। As such, like we have to the points आपका, ठीक है। ऐसा कोई underperform overperforms you will not see, ठीक है। So this is wrong आपका। Public sector banks performance on saving accounts is at or above par compared to the private sector banks आपका, ठीक है। So this is correct, ठीक है। We have more deposit compared to the private sector banks and all, ठीक है। Public sector bank have higher incidence of problems compared to the industry average, no. Public sector bank activate saving accounts within 3, no, कितना days आपका होता है? 3 days window, which is above the industry average, ठीक है। 3 days, it should be 3 days आपका ना, not 5 days आपका, ठीक है। As I can recall this particular one, it is आपका 3 days, not 5 days आपका, ठीक है। 90% of the customers receive their welcome kit within 14 days. This is also true. ठीक है? So 136 आपका, ठीक है? 136 option B should be right answer for this particular one. Correct है? Yes, हाँ, very good. Now this is very very important one, guys. Please go through this particular one. आपको ना यहाँ से क्वेश्चन मिलेगा. You will definitely see one question आपका for 1 marks or 2 marks आपका. So please go through this one and do revise before entering in the examination. ठीक है? So कुछ areas आपके हैं जो आपको ध्यान रखने पड़ेंगे. I have added the detailed solution in the different dimensions. ठीक है? जैसे आपका touch point experiences, branch layout and cash transaction, saving accounts, branch non-cash transaction, communication, आपका प्रॉब्लम इंसिडेंट्स, एंड वी हैव की परफॉर्मेंस इंडिकेटर्स and key performance indicators. So these are some areas on which we can compare public sector bank with private sector banks. So you can have this kind of comparison and you can expect questions be around this particular one also. Which of the following statement is true about customer requirements from bank? Okay? Customer requirements from banks. So we have to find out the correct statement. Very easy question again. आपका क्या होगा correct answer? What will be your correct answer, guys? So customer expect bank to provide a product mix to cater to different customer segments. ठीक है? Next one आपका bank must focus on providing only in branch services disregard to e-channels. No, nowadays this is not going to help us. ठीक है? This is wrong आपका. Customer demand a structured process time product with adherence to prescribed timelines. True. A good ambience in bank branches is not important. It is important here for the physical customers. Transparent dealing and clear communication about service charges are essential for building customer trust. True. 135 option A should be right answer for this particular one. ठीक है? ऐसा ही एक्सपीरियंस आपको एग्जामिनेशन में भी होगा. बिलीव मी, जस्ट फॉलो दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस, रेगुलर बेसिस, कॉन्सेप्ट एंड ऑल, तो आप बहुत अच्छे से वहां पे स्कोर कर पाएंगे. ठीक है? चलो. So which customer segment is associated with the income level above 1,20,000 or 1.20 crores? आपका कितना? 1.20 crores आपका, या 1,20,000 lakhs per annum. ठीक है? कौन से कैटेगरी में आते हैं ये लोग आपका बताओ जरा. दिस इज आपका एक क्वेश्चन आपको यहाँ पे ना जरूर मिलने वाला है. ठीक है? सो व्हाट विल बी योर करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस वन? एनीवन गाइस, जल्दी से. And why other people are not answering? हाँ, what will be your correct answer? Your answer will be आपका अल्ट्रा हाई नेटवर्थ. ठीक है? सो दे जनरली कैटेगराइज अंडर द अल्ट्रा हाई नेटवर्थ. ठीक है? सो 2 to 10 लाख आपका मास, 10 to 50 और आपका अबव 10. ठीक है? सो अल्ट्रा हाई नेटवर्थ आपका. ठीक है? जो फाइनल कैटेगरी है हमारी, तो दे जनरली फॉल्स अंडर दैट पर्टिकुलर वन.